Alright, out in the garage, cleaning up that stuff from the place me and Robbie went. Mr. Tim stopped by for a visit and helped me do her.
The
Got
secret
4
hole.
different pans. Yep, the secret gold. Sampled 4 different spots. We're going to run them here and see what happens. I'll get back with you here in just a few. Here, just got done classifying everything down. Got my rocks in the pans that show where it come from. Got to look and see if my phone will see it here. Oh yeah, easily. Look at what's laying right there. Sticks out like a sore thumb. Well, we're going to get to running this stuff and see what we actually Alright, just started running. I don't know, we probably ran 4, 5, 6 little things full, and you can see the gold right there. See right there and over here. And even up here there was some, but it's kind of filled up now. Already finding gold though in there. That's pretty cool. Let's see what happens here.
On the gold.
A little cleanup. Alright, still on that first little pan running it out. I don't know if you can see all that or not, but there's all kinds of shinies up through there.
Loaded.
Down here.
Loaded.
Loaded in the mat. And this is just 4 full pans classified down 1/8 inch and run through a little roll of backpack sluice. That's all we ran it through. I can't believe how much little specks of gold are in there.
You can see it on the slick plate when it goes down.
Well, sluice needs a little more tuning, I think. It needs to slow the water down a little, but I think about there on the good cleanup on it. It runs real well. This is pan 2. We're going through it. We got started on it already. You can see in there. There's 3 pieces I see right there. One made it down here, but we raised the sluice a little bit. We got it up at about 6 degrees now, and now we're not seeing any gold down here at the bottom like before, so maybe the trick was raising it up a little and just leaving the flow where it's at. We'll see what happens here, but gold in this pan too. Right, just taking a quick look. We'll do a better cleanup here in a little bit.
You see it?
Yep, I can see it. Right there she is. A little bit of gold in that pan. Just a little bit. We'll paint it all out and we'll show everything here in a bit.
Looking good.
Moving on. This is definitely a nice place. It'd be nice if I could get in there all the time.
Second little trowel.
Yep. Second, this will be the third. Let's see if anything rolls out of this one. Oh, there I seen one slow rolling down. This is remarkable. Gold's definitely where it's at. My hairy trowel. Yeah, you can see when that gold hits how it kind of slows down and just rolls.
Hi, Princess. How many trowels did you say that is?
That's probably about, I don't know, 6 trowels now. I'm just drop another one and see if one shows up. Stuff just walks right down that plate.
Tons of garnet. It really shows up.
Yeah, with the camera there.
Some nice flakes in there.
Here comes a little one. Oh, there's one walking down right there. It just took off. That's pretty neat how it kind of holds onto that aluminum.
Yep.
Alright, we're checking the box out this time, and you wouldn't believe it. This thing is stinking cool. Look at this.
We'll blind you here.
You're alright. I can see it. Look at all that in there. Sparklies everywhere. Look at that row of them right there at the top, across the top of it.
Yeah, bunch of pieces.
And they're still making it about down to this strap here. No farther, it don't seem like. We're not seeing it now since we raised that angle up. We might try to raise it just a little more and see if it changes it and holds it back a little more.
Yeah, it's looking good. I can't believe it. That is crazy. Caught on the trowel.
See if I can get it off there. It went.
Kind of.
Look, that's only 3 scoops.
See that big sucker hanging out. Did a little scuffing on the aluminum there, kind of give us a little preview. There's a piece.
Yep. Quite enough just to hold it. It don't seem like. Oh, it's holding that one though. See it? You see it?
Yep. A little too dark on the camera.
There, it brushed it off. Look, there's a piece on the trout that's come off. There it is. See it right there?
Yep.
That's not quite enough. That emery cloth just wasn't enough. To maybe a little more. I said maybe chalkboard paint, and it would hold it there.
Not much material.
Just, like I said, 4 big pans full is all we had at each hole. There's one on the trowel again.
Every trowel holding gold.
Look at that one.
Yep. Oh,
There it went. Down the box somewhere.
And on this 4th pan, we're about 5 degrees of angle.
Yeah, we changed the angle. Oh, on the corner of the trowel.
Got her leveled out pretty good. Great exchange rate.
Seems like it's doing better on the dirt there now. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Look. Yep, still making it down under the strap there, but look at that dog. Man. And that's not gold, that's just a rock. Don't get excited about that one.
It's shiny.
All kinds of nice shinies up here.
Yeah, it's loaded.
Nice shinies. This is from the last spot. This is where Dave and I found gold. Alright, this is the last one. This is where me and Dave did so good at, and look at what you see there. Man, I wish I could get in there all the time. It's like an every now and then thing. It just works out. Dang it, man. Yeah, that's good gold.
Nice.
Can't ask for much more. Look at all that. And it's all solid bedrock, bottom creek, every bit of it.
Killing it, buddy. Killing it.
That's cool, man. That's real cool. Alright, this is the first pan that had the 1 rock in it. So the first place we dug. That's what we ended up getting out of there. That's pretty stinking good for what we run. So, I'm going to pan another one out here. We'll see what we get here in a minute. That's good gold for no more than we dug.
Very good.
Real good gold. Alright, he's getting down to the bottom of his pan now. We'll see what's in it this time. Haven't seen anything try to wash out just yet. Alright, Tim's panned his pan out. I said they got the GoPro now. It'll be a little harder to see that gold, but I think you'll see that. Tim panned that one out. I'm going to pan one out now and we'll see what the next one looks like.
Looking good, buddy.
I'm telling you. Alright. That's what I ended up out of the 3 rock pan. So very good you can see that one. But that's what I came up with the 3 rocks. That's like the last spot before we get to the spot Dave and I had found the gold. Still doing pretty good. Can't wait to see what we get all the way up where we were at. Alright, this is the last pan. This is up the very top, right where the trail comes in.
There's the magnetics I got out of it.
Yeah, there's all the magnetics we got. Like down here was the first one. I think there was the 2, there was the 3rd, and there's the 4th. Seems like the magnetics got more and more as we went. you know, the farther we got back up the creek to the head of it.
Definitely 3 and 4 is thick.
There's a lot of dirt to go through here. Now, I'm probably going to pan that right there too, just because after seeing what we've seen, just to make sure. Yep, might be one in there. But yep, this is the last one, then we'll be done with her.
Somebody just added me on Facebook.
Incredible.
That is.
Asking me to call them so we can talk dirty to each other. I work in radio, not a sex line, dude. Bunch of pervs.
And that's 8 full pans classified down to 1/8 inch.
Four full pans, the bigger pans under here, the one you're
Okay.
panning into. 4 of them as full as you can get them classified down to 1/8 inch.
Ran through a sluice, and then you brought back the cons.
Yeah, ran through a little royal sluice, a little backpack sluice. And I brought it all back here to go through it and see what was in it.
This can cost as much. Start your free trial of Quello right now. That's QELLO. It's been a long winter, but at Miami Valley Gaming, it's
That's the best one by far. All the others look good, but that one looks great.
Good job, buddy.
If we could only get back to that spot on a regular basis.